Hello guys, welcome to Lee Hub and welcome to another episode of our Defi token. In this video, I'll be talking about a Defi token called Yearn Finance. Guys, this coin in particular is a very unique coin and its market value keeps increasing every day. In this video, I'll be giving you everything about this coin and why you should buy this coin in particular. Yearn Finance token is an Ethereum token that governs the Yearn Finance platform. This platform is a developed optimizer that moves from around decentralized finance, also known as Defi, ecosystem in an effort to generate a high return. So guys, let's check the market cap of the chart of this Yearn Finance. You can see in the last 24 hours, the price of this coin is $9,744.47, and in the last 1 hour, the price of this coin increased from 9,978.52 to 10,040. So we can see, let's go, and in the last 1 week, the price of this coin in particular was 9,776, and it increases to 13,561, but it still decreased. So let us just go back to the and view the coin market cap of this coin in particular. We can see the price of this coin. The price of this coin currently is $10,021.46, and the low price of this coin the last 24 hours was 9,726, and the high price currently is 10,295. And we can see in the last 1 minute, the low price of this coin was 9,536, and the high price of this coin was 20,189. That's to tell you how huge this coin is going. Yes, this coin, the value of this coin is rapidly growing up. It is rapidly increasing. It is rapidly skyrocketing, and nobody is talking about this coin. You can see the Yearn Finance token price statistics. The Yearn Finance price today, the price of today is $10,000, and the price change in 24 hours $163.96. It only decreased at the rate of 1.43%. And you can see I haven't even finished explaining it, and it just increases. In the last 24 hours, the low of this particular coin was 9,726.77, and in the last 24 hours, the high price of this coin was 10,295 till date. And you can see the trading volume of this coin in the last 24 hours was 72,253,168.57, and it increases at the rate of 6.83%. That is to say, people are seriously trading this coin and they are seriously rushing this coin, guys. So if you're looking for a particular coin, a Defi coin to go for, I suggest strongly you should go for this Yearn Finance token, because this coin has a staying power and it is not even devaluing. The value is not reducing, it is not depreciating. Instead, it is going up. It is going up despite the dip in the crypto market currently. And you can see the market volume of this coin is 0.19, and the market dominance of this coin is 0.03%, and market rank of this coin is 102 on the table. Yes, it's because it's a Defi coin. The market rank of it is 102, and the total value locked of this coin is 1,275,721,301. And you can see the Yearn Finance market cap currently is 367,155,313.25, and it only decreases at the rate of 1.61%. The fully diluted market cap of this coin is 367 billion 438,701. Sorry, 367,438,701.57. It only decreases at the rate of 1.61%. So let us still go back to the chart. In the last 7 days, in the last 7 days, we can see the chart of this. The price of this coin is 14.22 thousand. Yes, and the trading views. Let's go and check the trading views of this particular coin. Yes, hold on, guys. Let's check the trading views of this particular coin. We can see the volume, the trading view. We can see the reading of this particular coin. It is reading. You can see we have 10,066.70 plus 66.40, and in the back bracket we can see plus 0.66%. That's to tell you that this coin in particular is increasing. The trading view is increasing. That is to say, people are rushing this coin. People are going for it, and this coin has a very unique trait. It is not decreasing despite the fact we have crisis in the cryptocurrency market. The price of this coin in particular keeps increasing instead of decreasing. So you can see, guys, so without wasting much of your time, if I were you and I want to purchase any coin, or I'm looking for a coin to buy, I prefer and I advise strongly you should go for this coin currently. This coin has something to show. This coin has something to give in the coin market. Yes. So that will be all for now, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share with your families and friends. See you next time, guys.